Okay, so we're gonna open up this Majorette Corvette 2005 6XR. So let's go ahead and open it. If I can figure out how to open it. There you go. Oh, that was easy. Alright. So we have one screw. Ooh. Nice. Okay, let me unscrew it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Wow. Oh, the tire doesn't, huh? The tire doesn't spin that much. Cool. We found one in the wild again. So I'm gonna pick this up. That was the only one. So I'm gonna search for more stuff to see. What else do they have? What is this? B case? They haven't restocked yet. So let's check. Let's check the pegs if there's anything new. Alright, let's see. If there's anything new here. Oh, we're getting B case. Why are we going back to B case? No more N case? What is this? Oh, here's an N case. Is that it? Color on this one is good though. Not gonna lie. It says orange crush, orange, sunburnt orange. Okay, so in this series, we're gonna check out the 2024 Porsche 718 Spider Matchbox moving parts. So let's go ahead and open this cast. By now, I should be an expert in taking this out of this styrofoam. Alright. That's a good spin. Oh, I like the color. Oh, it doesn't have a license plate. This is from Thailand. Prepping fish for sashadong fish. Sashadong fish for lunch. This is not a snapper, this is a red tilapia. Frying fish first. Okay, sauteed our garlic, onion, and tomato. Added fish sauce and grounded pepper. Oh. Added green onion. I'm gonna let it simmer for about, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 minutes. We added the fish and we're gonna let it cook to simmer some more, and then we're gonna put the egg. Okay, we're gonna start putting the egg. Mmm, syrup. Oh, syrup, syrup. Ang sarap. Sarsyadong isda. Sarap. Sarap, sarap. This, my friends, is the sarsyadong fish. Tilapia. Sarsyadong fish for lunch. Oh, we're gonna continue our hunt. I was out of the hunting days. I got busy, so we're gonna continue looking for anything that's good out here. I know it's already late. Time has Hondas are still here. What? Hondas? Nobody's picking up the Honda. The hot ones. Okay, I know the Civic is always gone. That's the first to go for the hot ones. Let's see. Let's go check the dump in. It's still the same. The Eradicator. There's a lot of this Eradicator. There's 4 of them here. Or sorry, maybe 3. 3 Eradicator, and it's supposed to be a chase. So I was quite surprised no one's picking it up. I'm even afraid to look into this because I don't think there's anything good, and I'm already late for the hunt. Let's see. Let's go check the collectible necklace to see if there's anything good. Right. I don't see anything. Luther is still here. This one's here. Piccolo. Nothing on the pegs. I don't see any thing that stands out. Let's check on this side. Sometimes you don't expect anything here, but sometimes there is. All right. Let's see. What's this? Professor X is still here. Ooh, what's this? What's this? Removable egg robot Sonic. All right. What's this? Ooh, Jean Grey. There's nothing to pick. We'll have to go to the next store to see if there's anything interesting. Same old casting. Nada. So we're gonna saute garlic and onion, and I've been noticing a lot of the Filipino dishes. Madaming ginigisang or sauteing onion and garlic. Most of their recipe. And then we're gonna add Chinese sausage. I don't have a chorizo, so we're gonna add this to the chicken pastel for 1 minute. So we've added the onion. We're gonna add the little carrots. Madam. So we're gonna add a mushroom. I forgot the mushroom. Senjiji. Oh, Senji mushroom. Senjiji. Is that how you pronounce it? Now we're gonna add the green and red pepper. And we're gonna let it cook for, I don't know, 2 to 3 minutes. I didn't put the quail egg because that's too much cholesterol. I don't want to add any. Supposedly you're supposed to add quail egg, but I'm not adding it. And then I'm gonna add salt and pepper for taste. So another 2 to 3 minutes, and let's see. So we're gonna taste. Syrup, syrup. Syrup. Syrup, syrup. Wow. Lasa. Na perfect. Syrup. Syrup, syrup. Nakuha ko yung lasa. We added pepper and salt. Actually, you don't need the salt anymore. It's not that bland. Lasang pastel. It really tastes good. Chicken pastel for lunch. Syrup. Syrup, syrup. Okay, so we didn't do much hunting today. So I got some boxes from Mattel that I ordered through their website, and these are the things that you don't see in the wild that you would have to order at Mattel Creations. So I got an Elite 64 Datsun 280ZX, and it has a protector of its own coming in from Mattel Creations. And then I also ordered a multiple of the 300ZX silhouettes. I saw maybe one. I figured I want to open. I think I already opened on the last short video that I did. I opened one of them. So this is what I got from Mattel Creations. And then I got these. Now I don't see this. I didn't see this in Walmart or Target, and I've always seen them, being posted from other collectors, and I've always thought it was very cool to have the Toyota GR Supra, the custom Datsun 280Z, and the truck, and the diorama, looks good as well, and it looks like it was taken in a racetrack of some sort. So this one is one of those things that I don't see in the wild. So I figured I might as well get it from Mattel Creations, straight from the shop itself. And so there. So that's what we got. I didn't do much hunting. I got busy at work, and so this is what we have for the picks. And that's it. Okay, so we have another mail call, and this one came from BB Toys in Pico Rivera. Not sure where I got this from. I think I ordered this one from Amazon. So let's go ahead and open this. I'm not sure what I got. I don't even remember what I got. So we'll go ahead and open this one. Ooh, whoa. Oh, I forgot about this. This is a Kaido. This is Carbon. Oh, it's the Carbon R Nissan Skyline. Oh, oops. What's this? Yeah, it is. It's the Nissan Skyline GTR Active Carbon. Oh, should we open this? Okay, I'll make a short video of this when I opened it. I completely forgot about this. I only got one. I thought I got, oh yeah, it was too expensive, that's why. Next time I'm gonna try and see if I can go straight to Kaido and order the same exact Nissan Skyline carbon or carbon fiber or carbon shell. So we'll go from there. Kaido house. Oh, cool.